So hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the American Airlines Group share. In AAL share, what will be the important level targets, important support resistance for our next trading session, and what and what and what are the important analysis for the stock for our next trading session? Is it buy or not? Everything conclude in this video. So let's start this video. Firstly we check the trend of the share on a 1 day time frame chart, and here we see in recently stock try to recover itself, and recently stocks showing some stock was show some strength here by making a higher high higher low formation, but then stock take resistance here, and from here then stock take resistance here, and from here we see a clear downfall in the stock. In today's trading session we again see a 3.95% a big negative closing as compared to the size of the stock. So now if stock break the support zone of 10.50, because the trend of the share is very bearish. If we draw a regression channel and a regression trend for the stock, then we see this stock continue its downtrend by continue following this regression trend. Here this stock continue go downside by continue following this regression trend. Here this stock take resistance on the regression trend lines, and then we see a clear downfall in the stock. And from some trading sessions we again see a clear downfall in the stock from the regression trend line, and from this regression trend line we see a clear downfall in the stock. So for our next trading sessions and for our upcoming some trading sessions, the possible pathway stock can follow. Stock can go downside from here, and on a level of 10.50 stock takes support and try to recover itself, but here on an upside we also have a strong resistance zones, and the trend of the stock is also very strong bearish. So stock here it is very difficult to stock to sustain on an upside, and on an upside we can see again a clear downfall in the stock until the levels of 9.08. So on a 1 day time frame chart and for a swing trading, the trend of the share is very bearish, but now we can see the stock on a 15-minute time frame chart for our next trading session. Then for our next trading session we see here this stock try to recover itself, but uh, but this stock unable to break this high resistance zone on a 15-minute time frame chart, and on a 15-minute time frame chart from this resistance zone we see a clear downfall in the stock. So the possible pathway stock can follow for our next trading session. Stock can go downside till the levels of 10.51, and on an intraday level we see some recovery in the stock till the level of 11 to the level of 11.5, because here on an upside we have a strong resistance zones. Here on the level of 11.5 we have a strong resistance zone, and if stock breaks this resistance zone then we have our next resistance zone till the level of 12, because on a downside here we have a support zone on the levels of 10.50 to 10.40. So here are some important levels and important zones for the stocks. So here are some important this video for education purpose. Thank you.